Hi guys, so in this video I will be telling you the different programs that we offer for subject CB1. So as we are all aware that CB1 is an application based exam and it is different from CB2 in the sense that you don't get any direct bookwork in exam. If you are appearing from IFOA, you need to pay a lot of attention to the point writing, and if you are appearing from II, so you have your MCQs. But in order to appear for MCQs and in order to make sure that we are choosing the correct option, we have to be very good with the content and we have to be good with the application of that content. So in CB1, application of content is something which is very important. So we have different programs available. So one is the full program. In full program, you will get access to our live sessions held at regular intervals. Plus, you will be getting access to our video lectures, and in our video lectures, everything is there. We have separate lectures for content, separate for past papers, and in past papers lectures, we have covered 5 markers, 10 20 markers, MCQs, everything is covered. So II MCQs are also covered in video lectures, IFOA MCQs are also covered, and IFOA long style questions, short style questions are also there in our video lectures. And in our live sessions also, we will be having different sessions for II and IFOA students. And apart from this video lectures and live sessions, you will also be getting access to our chapter wise summary list, which is list of questions that you have to do chapter wise once you have completed a particular unit and a particular set of chapters. So you don't have to search out any questions. We have prepared the list of the questions of both II as well as IFOA. You will be provided with unit wise assessments, tests and mocks, and tests and mocks will get checked by us, and you will get detailed feedback with respect to how to proceed, with respect especially IFOA students with respect to their points building exercise. And apart from this, you will be getting weekly targets from our side. So every Monday you will receive a notification from team guiding you the entire thing that you have to do for the entire week. So in this manner, your progress will be tracked as well, and you will be proceeding as per a particular pattern. So if you are appearing from II, we will be tracking you as per II dates. If you are progressing as per IFOA, we will be tracking you as per IFOA, and we will be making sure that we are training you with respect to the current changes in II and IFOA pattern. Plus, Q&A portal is also there, and the validity of this program is for full year. If you want, we can extend it for other diet as well with some minimal charges involved. Now, another program is exclusive videos program, which is same as full program. The only difference is that in exclusive videos program, you will be getting video lectures and all other things, except that you cannot participate in the live sessions. Now, other program is self-study program, SSP. Basically, if cost is a constraint for you, or if you are a repeater, or if you feel like that I don't want mocks or tests and I just want to go through the content and I don't have time to go through entire lectures or sessions, then this program is recommended, self-study program. So basically in self-study program, you will be getting access to our lectures, video lectures, which are there on the portal, and the live sessions which are taking place, that will get added to the portal. But your tests and mocks will not be marked, and there will be no weekly targets or no video tracking from our side. And the access of this program is also limited. So if you can check out on our website, we have different options with respect to different validity as well. So you can check out the validity that you want to apply for, provided if you want only lectures in your content and nothing else. And so in this video, basically, I wanted to highlight the differences of these three programs. If you want to check out the demos of our classes, basically how the content discussion takes place, or how do past papers discussion take place, or how do MCQs discussion take place, we have attached the link of entire YouTube playlist in the description box. So do check out the YouTube playlist, as well as the latest orientation link is also attached. So you can check out the latest orientation with respect to the current changes in II and IFOA pattern. Also, the product purchase link directly from our website is there in the description box, and you can click out the link and that will give you the details of the prices of these different programs. Still, in case of any doubts, you can contact our counselor on the number mentioned. Thank you. Happy learning.